Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Do you often back up or store sensitive files on your external storage devices and want to make sure that only you have access to them? In this video, I will show you how to lock files from your USB or other external hard drives on your Windows or Mac computer. Let's go. I've tested a lot of security programs, but in my opinion, this is the best one yet. It uses military-grade encryption, which means your files are protected with the highest level of security, whether they're stored on your computer, USB drives, or hard drives. Encrypting files can be complicated, but this tool makes it easy even if you're not a tech expert. A paid subscription is required, but I personally think it is worth the money because I have not found anything similar that is free. You can download it for free using my link below and even get a discount on your subscription to try out all the features. Once you have installed the software, the first step is to find out where your files are located. If they're on your computer's hard drive, use the options under Local Disk to hide, lock, or protect them. For files on a USB or external hard drive, select the options under External Disk instead. If you want to control who can access your files without the right password, head to the Locking Files section. Unlike hiding, locked files are still visible in your file system. On the right side, pick whether you want to lock only specific files, a folder, or an entire storage drive. After you add them, the status will instantly change to locked. Let's test it out. Whenever I try to open a locked file, it asks for a password first. So, no password, no access. As you can see, the secured file can be copied to a location outside of the source directory. But its locked status prevents you from viewing its contents. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.